In modern B2B sales, success is rarely the result of a single generic pitch. Instead, it's built on understanding that every buyer's journey is unique, shaped by their role, industry, business needs, and stage in the decision process. This is where structured sales playbooks prove invaluable, and where AI agents are redefining how these resources are created and maintained. A sales playbook is more than just a script. It's a strategic resource that guides sales teams in engaging prospects with precision and relevance. With a purpose-built AI agent, the process of developing a playbook becomes faster, smarter, and more tailored to your organization's needs. The AI agent begins by mapping the buyer's journey, automatically categorizing each stage, from awareness, where prospects are just learning about solutions, to consideration and decision, where they're evaluating options and ready to choose a partner. The AI agent analyzes uploaded data and relevant market insights, ensuring each stage is aligned with real buyer questions, objectives, and obstacles. AI-driven playbooks go further by integrating detailed insights about target personas. The AI agent processes information about decision-makers across industries, such as CTOs in healthcare, finance leaders, or operations managers in manufacturing, and tailors messaging to address their unique concerns and motivations. This level of personalization enables sales teams to speak directly to the pain points and priorities of each role and vertical. Alright, let's dive into how a well-constructed, AI-generated playbook can truly make a difference. It breaks down each journey stage, highlighting objectives, key value propositions, and those differentiators that really set your solution apart. The AI agent quite cleverly automatically incorporates proof points, like customer success stories, compliance credentials, or even technical benchmarks, reinforcing credibility and trust. For maximum clarity and usability, the AI agent summarizes each section in concise, slide-ready bullet points. This format empowers sales teams to quickly build presentations, respond to questions, and pivot their approach as needed. The AI agent also recommends context-appropriate calls to action, whether that's scheduling a demo, sharing a relevant case study, or advancing toward a contract. Crucially, AI-powered playbooks are living documents. The AI agent continuously monitors for new data, market changes, and feedback, automatically updating playbooks to ensure every pitch remains relevant, impactful, and aligned with evolving buyer needs. By equipping your sales teams with persona and stage-specific playbooks generated and maintained by AI, you empower them to communicate value clearly, build trust faster, and close deals more effectively. Turn information into action. Discover the Knoh.AI advantage. Head to Knoh.AI to learn more.